Okay, so I start by creating a new project. Yes. So let's check we have the correct units. The units are in millimeters. Next thing we do is we go to the top, the root, whatever this is, and we create new component, and we name it side. So this symbol here seems to indicate that this now is the active component. Don't seem to be able to deactivate it, so I don't know how that works. So the next thing we do is we start sketching, and now for yeah, okay, here it is. So we go to sketch mode. So it seems I should do this and line. So it seems that the red one is the x-axis and the green one is the y-axis, and this actually is the z-axis. This is, well, it's indicated up here, so I suppose you can look here and understand that that's how it is, but that's not natural to me. I kind of think when I see this view that this is the bottom plane, so I would expect this to be x and this to be y. So it's actually rotated in the wrong direction to what I remember. I studied, I have a master in physics, so I have a lot of mathematics learning, and you usually draw the xy, so x to the right and y like up like that, and then this would be the z-axis because z is perpendicular to the plane you're drawing into. But anywho, I just have to accept that in Fusion 360 for some reason this is x and y. So let's go for that and just accept it. Okay, so here is what I have to learn, that x and y is actually the front view, and that's not what I have been accustomed to when I make drawings, if you like, physically, because then you have the paper laying down on the table, so you always draw x and y as the bottom of whatever you are drawing. So yeah, that's interesting and confusing, and now I know it. So let's see if I understand this. I will start to draw a line, so I suppose I click here and then I get this behavior, so the line is attached there and I can like move outwards. So I go like that, and then I get a new line. But now it seems like if I click again, nope, it doesn't work. I should be able to get an arc somehow. So how do I do that? Okay, so that didn't work. I can't right click because then I get this menu. And so how do I get an arc? And how do I finish this line? Well, escape seems to work. So let's see. Arc, how do I make an arc? Is that not how you spell it? Maybe it's an arc. No, that doesn't work. So let's go here. Let's see if this works better. Sketch arcs. Using the center point arc to make concentric features. No, this is taking too long. Let's go back to my tutorial and listen to what he's saying. Aha, okay, so this is... I click and drag to get an arc. So let's sketch, line, no, that didn't work. So I click first. Okay, so now I'm in the line tool, and then I click and drag. Yeah, that works. So it seems I have to, I can't right click, was my first intuition for some reason, but okay, let's do that. Okay, well, this is kind of intuitive. I'm going to go like 6 inches. 6 inches is like 15 centimeters. Did I do the calculation correct now? No, it's 16. It's 1/4 of 160. So it's 40 centimeters. So let's go here somewhere. Let's go here and we want like 10 centimeters roughly here. Then go back here somewhere. So I'm going to left click and hold to make it change the arc. Like that. Then the second one. So I'm over here. Okay, so now we close this down. No, bring this down. Like that. Like that. Yeah, like that. Then left click and hold to make it tangent arc. And another tangent arc. Left click and hold. And then we close it like that. Okay. That was a good exercise. So you click and hold to get arcs, and you just move the cursor and click to get a line.
If you like my videos, feel free to do nothing.
Just grab a cup of coffee and enjoy.